Some people usually confuse interim dividend for final dividend. They are different. Interim dividend is usually paid during the year, which means there's still a final dividend that will be paid at the end. So the combination of the two is what we have, what we call total dividend for the year. So it is not every company that pays dividend. Some pay once in a year, while some pay twice in a year, and we have some companies that pay 4 times in a year. For instance, in Nigeria, NIDF pays 4 times in a year. So in this video, I want to talk about 12 companies that are paying interim dividend so far. As at the time of making this video, 12 companies have declared interim dividend, including their qualification dates and their payment dates. So quickly, let me explain what QD is and PD, because you will be saying QD and PD. So QD simply means qualification dates and PD simply means payment dates. Qualification dates simply means if you don't have that stock in your portfolio before that date, which is the qualification date, you are not entitled to that dividend. I hope that's clear. I hope it gets me. So you need to have it in your portfolio on or before that date. So that date is the last day you have the opportunity to buy that stocks in order to be entitled to that dividend. So quickly, let's go into it. Let's see the 12 companies. Most of our banking stocks are not yet here. Some will still declare interim dividends. Zenith is yet to declare. GTCO is yet to declare. But the ones that have declared, let's see them. So Okomo Oil is paying 30 naira per share as interim dividend. Then imagine what the final dividend will be. The qualification date is August 8, 2025. Payment date is 22nd of August 2025. Transcorp Hotel is also paying 10 kobo per share. The qualification date is August 7, 2025, and the payment date is 15th of August 2025. United Capital UCAP is paying 30 kobo per share as interim dividend. The qualification date is August 8, 2025, and the payment date is 18th of August 2025. Unilever is paying 50 kobo per share. The qualification date is 8th of August 2025, and the qualification date is 22nd of August 2025. Transpower is paying 150 kobo per share. The qualification date is 8th of August 2025, and the payment date is 18th of August 2025. Sixth company is Ikeja Hotel. Ikeja Hotel is paying 30 kobo per share as interim dividend. The payment date is 5th of September 2025. 5th of September 2025. Africa Prudential, which is Afriprud, is paying 10 kobo per share, and the qualification date is 8th of August 2025, and the payment date is 18th of August 2025. Now, I didn't mention what payment date is. The payment date is the day the dividend is going to hit your account. So if the dividend has not been hitting your account, then maybe you have to reach out to your stockbroker in order to fill the e-dividend form. Reach out to your stockbroker. That's why I usually recommend that please make sure you have a relationship with your stockbroker. You can always reach out to their customer care. Just get through to them by going through the contact details in the contact section, is either of their app or of their website. So let's move on. Presco is paying 20 naira per share. 20 naira per share. And the qualification date is 7th of November 2025. The qualification date is 7th of November 2025. You still have the span of time to invest in Presco. Then the payment date is 21st of November 2025. Presco is yet to pay a final dividend for 2024 financial year, which is 42 naira per share. They are going to pay it in this month of August. The qualification date is already passed, so it's not something you are qualified for if you don't have it in your portfolio. I think the qualification date was around July. So get that. But for you to qualify for this in November, you need to buy Presco before the 7th of November 2025. Let's move on. Custodian is paying 25 kobo per share. The qualification date is 15th of August 2025. Then the payment date is 9th of September 2025. Kutix is paying 10 kobo per share, and the qualification date is also 15th of August 2025, and the payment date is 2nd of November 2025. Corn Oil PLC, not Corn Oil, Corn Oil PLC. It is consolidated Allmark Insurance PLC. So it's an insurance company, so it's not Corn Oil. So they are paying 10 kobo per share, and the qualification date is 15th of August 2025, but their payment date is yet to be known. Now, the last but not the least is Seplat. Seplat usually pay in dollars. Seplat is paying $0.005. So which means it's not even up to $1. I hope you understand. And the qualification date is 13th of August 2025, and the payment date is 28th of August 2025. So that's the 12 companies that have declared interim dividends so far. We don't usually include NIDF because NIDF usually pays quarterly, so you don't usually see them on the list. For you to know when NIDF is paying dividend, you have to check their corporate disclosure. It's usually in the public disclosure of the NGS group, or you will see it in the news, or you'll get the information from your stock brokerage firm if you have NIDF in your portfolio. Thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we release any video. So we meet in our next video. Stay blessed.